is first to use. So you need to use this one. This is a GTAG, and what you first do is connecting the GTAG to the board in this way. So this thing should be in this way. If you have any doubts, just raise your hand. We'll come and help you. Then you connect the GTAG to the system, to the USB port. And in the second, you connect the micro USB to the board. So, and then I will run these commands to flash the thing. So I switch to the workshop, and you can see several exercises here. We'll go to the X11. I will increase the size. It's okay. Yeah, now it's better. So what we will do is use the avarice, this command, flash board. So avarice ---- MK1 will tell that the type of GTAG is MK1. ---- GTAG, the guy USB 0 is the port of GTAG. -P to program, -E to erase before program, and hello. Just a second. -5. So it's a bit tricky because sometimes the GTAGs did not convert. So, and at this time my GTAG is a TTI USB 1 because GTAG has CH UART, this device, and the board has CP21 on this device. So in this case, I will need to switch TTI 0 to TTI 1. And GTAG start the configuring. If everything will be okay, it will flash it in a second. Maybe not. It's a bit buggy because these GTAGs are very cheap. Okay, let's try to restart it. Okay, no luck. Some GTAGs are a bit buggy, but we have spare parts, so it will be no problem. It worked. So sometimes it didn't work. Tricky because these GTAGs are not very reliable, but we have spare. We have some spare, maybe 2 or 3, so it should be okay. So what I want to do to you now is to run this command and try to flash it. And after flashing, you go into the dukeBarman. dukeBarman is located in Other in the menu, and if you connect the board, you will find here dukeBarman the dev USB1 device, and if you open it, everything is good. You can see the H symbol infinitely generating there. So this is a very simple program. It just generates H symbol on the screen. So please, those of you who have boards, please try to do it. Okay. Also, for people who don't have boards and want to do it on the simulator, we switch to the folder x11 simulator, and here we have the hello elf file, and we will use this command to run the simulator. So the first is device, and our device is at mega128, as I've told you. Second is file, so as you can see, just F file. The third is frequency. Our frequency is 16 megahertz. Let me count zeros. 3, 16 megahertz. The last one is what we need is to connect the ports of the simulator to the in and output, to the standard in and output. This could be done with option -X and Y. The E0 and E1 is the ports on this device that connected to the UART. And what we need in simulator is to connect these ports to the our standard input and output. So this could be tricky. And we need also to set the speed. And you can see that but as you can see, it's very slow because it's simulator. It runs, I think, 100 times slower than real device and consumes much CPU power. But the program is still the same, and it generates the H to the screen. So now I will stop here and want to see, me and Boris will go and see whether you could do it, or able to do it. If you have any questions or you can do it, just raise your hand and we'll explain. Okay.
Anybody want to help?
Yeah.